LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that allows you to connect with colleagues, industry professionals, and potential employers. Creating a professional account on LinkedIn is easy and free. Here's how you can do it. Cut to the computer screen with LinkedIn homepage displayed. Step 1. Go to linkedin.com and click on Join Now. Cut to the narrator pointing to the Join Now button on the LinkedIn homepage. First, go to linkedin.com and click on the Join Now button. Step 2. Enter your personal information. Filling in the necessary information in the LinkedIn sign-up page. Next, enter your personal information such as your name, email address, and a strong password. You can also choose to sign up using your Google or Apple account. Step 3. Add your professional information. Cut to narrator highlighting the importance of filling in the professional information on LinkedIn. Now, it's time to add your professional information. This includes your work experience, education, skills, and other relevant information that will help you stand out to potential employers. Step 4. Customize your profile. Cut to narrator emphasizing the importance of customizing your LinkedIn profile. To make the most of your LinkedIn account, it's important to customize your profile. This includes adding a profile picture, writing a catchy headline, and creating a summary that highlights your skills and experience. Step 5. Connect with professionals in your industry. Cut to narrator showing how to connect with professionals in your industry. Finally, start connecting with professionals in your industry. You can search for people and companies on LinkedIn and send connection requests. You can also join groups and participate in discussions to expand your network. Closing shot shows a completed LinkedIn profile page. Congratulations! You have now created a professional account on LinkedIn. Remember to keep your profile up to date and engage with your